All right, hey y'all. It's like 8 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. It's a little update on the garden thing, the cucumbers. This is what has happened because I realized that what's it called? The sun doesn't blast on it. Like, that's as close as it gets. So I've dug it up, put it in this little, I don't know, cement container. And I also put in some new cucumbers. As you can see here, we got 2 more victims of growth. Gonna try and do some pepper, Mexican, New Mexico 6 chili, and some tomatoes, which is not for me. I don't like tomatoes. They're kind of gross. Man, it's kind of nice out today. The ground's wet. Look at these flowers. All right, so we got our Scott's Select lawn soil again, and let's do it. Hey, there's a robin over there. I don't know if you can see him. I don't know if he's trying to go for my seeds. Brother, I'll pesticide it. I'm not afraid. Okay. Man, my friend told me like a specific strat and I already forget. My phone's inside, so I'm not gonna search. I feel like she said make a little hole. I don't know. Whatever. So this one's gonna be the tomato. It's from Valley Green. Apparently these don't have an expiry date, but I'm pretty sure this is like 8 years old. So they're very small. They look super dry and disgusting. Oh, that's some ASMR, huh? Soil mush. Okay, so that's our little soil area. I don't know how many to put. Like, I'm also obviously not trying very hard. So we're gonna put that many. So now the question is, how do I get the sun to... Oh, there we go. Do I have to angle it like this? What do you think? Or we could just... I guess like that's pretty decent, huh? Because then it like could grow outwards. Alright, so this is the second victim for the chilies. This is the one I care about because chilies are pretty good stuff. Container. Soil. Alright, and I'm going to do the same process. I don't think you need to see dirt, so you'll mind. Whoa, these just look like pepper seeds, like green peppers and whatnot. Man, this is gonna be a freaking delicious thing, huh? The soil's super moist, so I'm not sure if I need to water it when it's already really, really moist. I'm gonna go ahead and say nah. I'll do it later in the day. All right, so our seeds are planted. I'm thinking, isn't he gross? Absolutely disgusting animal. So here's this. Look at that. So we're gonna let that do its thing. We got our flour. We need more flour.